Hey friends, if you wish to install and launch Discord on your computer, then follow this tutorial and only this tutorial. Do not download it from the web because that pushes extra software products to your computer. So you can open the Microsoft Store by clicking on the icon here, or you can search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store from here. Now search for Discord in the search bar and hit Discord here. It's the app with these 11,000 ratings. Click on install. This will install Discord quickly and this will not push other software products. It will launch easily. And then you can obviously redirect to the online site to log into your account. But first of all, you'll have to install it from the Microsoft Store. So let's wait till it is installed. It will need a few seconds and then we will log into it. It's completed. Now I'll search for Discord and then I'll open the Discord app on my computer. It's checking for updates. It's downloading updates. That's what it always does when it opens. I'll close Microsoft Store meanwhile and I'll wait for it to download the updates. And now it's going to install the updates that it just downloaded. And now it's launching Discord. I really like the way the logo revolves around this, and it gives a feeling that yeah, it's working. It's not slowing down. And now it's going to install the updates again. And now it will launch Discord. And I'll show you how you can log into Discord. It's starting now. So to log into Discord, it will redirect you to the online website. And you need to enter your email ID and password, and then it will start logging you into the app. Now you are logged into the app after entering your email ID and password, and if you did it through the online website, it would ask for a hell lot of authentication questions. So now you can access all of these Discord channels and you can access its settings from here, the user settings, if you want to change anything. But this is how you are logged into it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.